Alrighty, welcome back to another episode of Hobby Time with NOVAtazz. I guess that's what we'll call it. But today we're going to do an unboxing and review of this kit right here, which will probably be the first build on this channel as far as hobby is concerned. So let's get right into it. Let's bring you over to the bench and see what's in this box. Alrighty, so here we have the box. I've already taken the cellophane off and opened the packages just because it'll make it easier for doing this unboxing. So we have the 1970 Chevelle SS from AMT. Comes with some hop-up parts. I have not done a kit in quite a while. So looking forward to getting into this one. Not sure if I'm going to do this one box stock or if I'm going to do some aftermarket goodies. I have some ideas of stuff that I want to do, but yeah, it really all depends on what I feel comfortable with. All right, so let's get into the box. Let's put this aside. You get 4 tires, looks like the old school style. Kind of wish they would give you some modern tires too, but looks like it's going to have a steel axle. You got your red parts. Not sure how well this is going to look. Let's see if we can bring this camera down a little closer. Is it going to focus? Some nice prints on it. Decent tread. Mold line in the center. Also got our clear red parts. I think I need to bring the light up a little bit. A little bit of flash. Body. Ugly seam right here. Definitely gonna need some work. This seam right here, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it very well, but there is, it's almost like it's not aligned. White plastic isn't the easiest for seeing this. But yeah, sink mark here. Well, maybe not. I'll have to look. Definitely a funny raised mark here. I have to do some body work to this. Interior tub. This whole kit's kind of dirty for coming straight out of the box. The molding in the door panels, I don't know if you can see that. It's really, really, really faint. It's almost non-existent. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Don't like the fact that the drive shaft is molded in. I do have a stock car kit over here. I might cut this out and put an actual drive shaft in there. I'm not positive. I'm assuming the rest of the drive shaft is part of the rear axle assembly. But yeah, there's that. Body should fit pretty good on the chassis. We'll see. Clear parts. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know about clarity. There's our chrome parts. Don't know how well this is going to come out as far as the front grille. Oh, it's not going to let me do it because of the tree, and I'm not taking it off just yet. Hopefully that doesn't come out looking too funky. I haven't seen one of these this particular kit built yet, so I don't know what particular issues it might have or not have. We'll have to see as I'm getting into it. I'm not new to necessarily modeling. I did it when I was younger. I haven't done it recently. I was doing the whole detail and stuff like that before I had access to the internet and modern detail kit parts. Always just did my own details. But I'll put that aside. Scissors, a few screws. It's got the cow induction opening molded into the hood along with. Now why would they do that? It has hood pins molded into the hood. Not sure if you can see that. So if you wanted a regular stock hood, you'd have to get rid of those hood pins. Not quite sure what these are for. I guess these... I'm not sure. Pretty skinny headers. Radiator. Engine block. I don't know if this is in focus or not. Might be focusing on my mat. Get my mat out of the way. Pretty standard Chevy engine, manual transmission. Oh, you can smell the plastic. Yeah, so there's the rest of the drive shaft right there. It's not even the same size as the underside of the body. Like your exhaust. We'll see what I do with the drive shaft. I might make my own. I don't like that. High-rise intake. Air cleaner. Is that for fuel? Oh, fuel injection. Standard intake. Valve covers. Fan. Standard exhaust. Not sure what these pins are for. Oh. I'm guessing it's for the front wheels. Seats molded with the console. Might have to, I don't know, let's see if that looks. Maybe I might separate that. And that dashboard. The dash looks pretty good. See how that comes out when it's painted. Oh, what's going on here? Not sure if you can see that. Right here, there's something funky going on. I picked this kit up thinking it was going to be simple and quick and easy to start off with compared to some of the other kits. If you watched my last video, hobby video, some of the other kits that I have, so I figured this one would be easy to start off with. Take a look at the decals. Get used to where the camera's at. So trying to focus on it. I might have to switch webcams, but yeah. So it's got gauges, stuff for the airbox maybe, but yeah, standard decals. Let's put these back in the baggie so they don't get ruined. Now these instructions look like pretty much how they were when I was younger. Yep, pretty standard. I'm not a fan of the wheels on this car. I mean, the original rallies. What's E? Flat white. Why would you paint that flat white? Really? Flat black, maybe. Yeah, I don't know if I would paint them flat white. They're calling flat white for this, but I think that would be black if they're rallies. Pretty simple tub. F is what body color? Silver. Oh, it wants me to paint the hood pin silver. Yeah, we'll see. So anyway, not going to be a super long video. Plans for this, I do have Testers red, so I'm going to go with the red with the black stripes. Actually, my girlfriend wants one of these cars in real life, and that's the colors that she had picked. So we'll see how it comes out. First couple models I'll probably end up doing with spray cans. Hopefully I'll get a airbrush soon. But anyway, that's this kit. Red with black stripes. By the time this ends up becoming on the channel as an actual build, I may have different wheels and tires for it. See what else. I know that there's a detail kit for it. Might pick that up. My worry though is it says it's for a 24 or 25 scale, and I know the 24 scale is quite a bit bigger, and I'm hoping the details aren't oversized at that point. But we'll see. Definitely gonna go red with the black rally stripes and build this kit as I see fit from there. So there was the 1970 Chevelle SS from AMT. I guess round 2 models. I guess that they bought out AMT now. Back when I was building them, they were AMT Ertls. So we'll see. All right. Until next time, leave a like, comment, let me know what you think. Hopefully you guys like this new stuff, and we can get some good stuff going. All right. Till next time. Catch you later.